Hello, my dear friends. I am Mrs. Preethi, TRB Padikalam Vanga. Today we are going to see the set of 5 questions based upon the basic concepts of electrical engineering. The first question is, which of the following is not one of the effects of rise in temperature on resistance? So we know that the resistance of a metal is RT is equal to R naught into 1 plus alpha into T. We know the resistance of a metal. But the question is not one of the effects. Let us check what are the effects of rise in temperature. So, when there is a increase in temperature, there should be a increase in the resistance of pure metals. There should be an increase in the resistance of alloys. And there will be a decrease in the resistance of the electrolytes and insulators. So, the is not one of the effects means we can choose the option as decrease in the resistance of pure metals. It will be one of the option. So, please make a note of it. And next question, let Q of T be the electrical charge in an element with respect to time. What is the current through that element? So, what is the meaning of electric current? It is the rate of the flow of the electric charge. Rate of the flow of the electric charge. So, mathematically we can describe it as I is equal to dq by dt. It is the option given to you. So, you can choose this option. And next question. Yeah. If both the number of the turns and the core length of an inductive coil are doubled, then its self-inductance will be. So, according to the Faraday's law of the electromagnetic induction, so the self-inductance of a solenoid can be written to be as L is equal to mu naught N square A by L. But here they have given you that the length of the coil is twice of it. Nothing but let us take here L2 is equal to twice of L1. Okay, and also the number of turns. Here we can say N2 is equal to twice of N1. Okay, so L1 is proportional to N square by L1. So we can write N1 square by L1. L2 is equal to N2 square by L2. Let us take the ratio between L2 by L1. It becomes N2 square by L2 square. Am I right? L2 square. The by means we can write L1 divided by N1 square. So, according to a given condition, L2 means substitute twice of L1 and N2 is we can able to substitute twice of N1. So, what comes? You will be getting that twice of N1 the whole square into L1 divided by L2 means what? Twice of L1. Am I right? L2 is twice of L1. We will not get the square here, sorry. So, twice of L1 into N1 square. So, L1 and L1 gets cancelled. So, here what we can able to cancel N1 square and N1 square. Am I right? So, what we can write? We can write L2 is equal to 2 into 2 is 4. 4 by 2 is 2. So, L2 is equal to twice of L1. It would be the answer. Your answer is it is doubled. It is doubled. So, you please apply the Faraday's laws of electromagnetic induction, the self-inductance of a solenoid. Apply the formula and find out the answer. L2 is equal twice of L1. Doubled will be the option for this. On the third question, an ideal voltage source should have dash. An ideal voltage source. So, we come across this word. What is the meaning of the ideal voltage source? It consists of, we can say that it have zero source resistance. Whereas in the case of your practical voltage source, it consists of what? It is in series with your internal resistance Rs. Am I right? The practical voltage source consists of an ideal voltage source in series with the resistance. Whereas in the case of your ideal voltage source, we should have a zero source resistance. So, these questions may ask in the competitive examination. And the last question is very easy for you. Which of the following options denote the frequency of a direct current source? DC source they are asking you. So, DC means it is a unidirectional flow. Am I right? The flow of charge should always be in the same direction. and the direction and magnitude of the current do not change. It remains constant with time. So the frequency of your direct current source is 0 hertz. Okay, is a basic question only. Yes, my dear friends, I think it will be helpful for you. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.